Hello everyone, welcome to JH SOFTECH. Let's we discuss SAP Cloud Computing question and answer. What is a cloud computing? Answer: cloud computing is the delivery of computing service over the internet, allowing users to access resources such as storage, processing power, and applications on demand without the need for direct management of physical hardware. Are the main advantages of cloud computing? Answer: some of the main advantages of cloud computing include scalability. Users can easily scale resources up or down based on their needs. Cost effectiveness. Cloud computing often operates on a pay as you go model, allowing users to pay only for the resources they use. Flexibility. Users can access cloud service from anywhere with an internet connection using various devices. Reliability. Cloud provides typically offer high levels of uptime and redundancy, ensuring the services remain available. What are the different types of cloud computing models? Answer: they are primarily three types of cloud computing models. Infrastructure as a service provides virtualized computing resources over the internet, such as virtualized machines, storage, and networking. Platform as a service offers a platform allowing customers to develop, run, and manage applications without dealing with the underlying infrastructure. Software as a service delivery software applications over the internet on a subscription basis, eliminating the needs for users to install, maintain, and update software locally. What are some popular cloud computing providers? Answer: some of the leading cloud computing providers include Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, IBM Cloud, and Oracle Cloud. What are the security considerations in cloud computing? Answer: security considerations in cloud computing include data encryption, access controls, compliance with regulations and standards, identify and access management, and security monitoring and logging. What is the difference between public, private, and hybrid clouds? Answer: public cloud infrastructure and services are provided by third party cloud providers and are available to the general public over the internet. Private cloud infrastructure and services are maintained on a private network, typically within an organization's data center, providing greater control and security. Hybrid cloud combines elements of public and private clouds, allowing data and applications to be shared between them, providing flexibility and scalability. What is virtualization and how does it relate to cloud computing? Answer: virtualization is a process of creating a virtual rather than physical version of computing resources such as services, storage device, or networking resources. In cloud computing, virtualization enables the pooling and sharing of physical resources among multiple users or applications, allowing for greater efficiency and flexibility in resource allocation. What is the difference between horizontal and vertical scaling in cloud computing? Answer: horizontal scaling, scale out, involves adding more instances of resources such as services or vertical machines to distribute the workload across multiple machines. This approach increases the capacity of the system. Vertical scaling, scale up, involves increasing the resources such as CPU, memory, or storage of individual machines to handle larger workloads. This approach increases the power of each individual machine. What is serverless computing? Answer: serverless computing is a cloud computing model in which the cloud provider dynamically manages the allocation of machine resources. With serverless computing, developers can focus on the writing code without worrying about provisioning or managing service. This cloud provider automatically allocates resources as needed, and users are only charged for the actual resources consumed during execution. What are containers and how are they used in cloud computing? Answer: containers are lightweight, portable and self-sufficient packages that contains everything needed to run a piece of software, including the code, runtime, system tools, libraries and settings. Containers are used in cloud computing to streamline application deployment, improve scalability, and enhance consistency across different environments. Technologies such as Docker and Kubernetes are commonly used to manage containers in cloud environments. What is multi-tenancy in cloud computing? Answer: multi-tenancy is a software architecture where a single instance of an application or system serves multiple users or tenants. In cloud computing, multi-tenancy allows multiple users or organizations to share the same physical infrastructure while maintaining isolation and security between tenants. This approach maximizes resource utilization and can be reduce cost for cloud service providers and users. How does cloud computing support disaster recovery and business continuity? Answer: cloud computing provides built in redundancy and backup capabilities that can enhance disaster recovery and business continuity strategies. By replicating data and applications across multiple geography regions and leveraging automated failover mechanisms, organizations can minimize downtime and data loss in the event of a disaster or outage. What are some common cloud deployment models? Answer: public cloud services are provided over the public internet and are available to anyone who wants to use them. Private cloud infrastructure and services are dedicated to a single organization and are not shared with other organizations. Community cloud infrastructure and services are shared by several organizations with common concurrence, regulatory compliancy, and are managed by either the organizations or a third party provider. Hybrid cloud combines two or more different cloud deployment models, typically a mix of public and private clouds, allowing data and application to be shared between them. What is autoscaling in cloud computing? Answer: autoscaling, also known as automatic scaling or elastic scaling, is a feature of cloud computing platform that automatically adjusts the number of resources allocated to an application based on its current workload. This ensures that the application has enough resources to handle fluctuations in demand while minimizing cost during periods of low activity. What is serverless architecture and what are its benefits? Answer: serverless architecture, also known as functions as a service, is a cloud computing model in which cloud providers automatically manage the allocation of resources needed to execute code. Developers write function pieces of code that are triggered by events such as HTTP request or database changes, and the cloud provider handles scaling, deployment, and infrastructure management. Benefits of serverless architecture include reduced operational overhead, improved scalability, and cost optimization, since users only pay for the resource consumed during function execution. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.